Hello everyone. Today we have the geometry sequence. Alright. So the problem is given for all n belong to a positive integer and the un plus 2 equal to 5 un plus 1 minus un, and the letter vn equal to un plus 1 minus un, and they ask to find is that is vn is a geometry sequence. Alright. And now how to solve this? So we look at the solution. Alright, so the first we have vn. Alright, vn is equal to un plus 1 minus h un. Alright, so from this relation we can got the vn plus 1 equal to un plus 2 minus h times un plus 1, right? Alright, so we also have from the problem given the un plus 2. Alright, so we shall replace here, so we got the un we got a vn plus 1 equal to 5 un plus 1 minus h un, and here is minus 8 times un plus 1. Alright, so here we have the un plus 1 and also we have un plus 1, so we apply vn plus 1 equal to 5. We take un plus 1 to the outside, so the remainder is 5 minus h all times un plus 1 minus 6 un. Alright, so to find out the vn is a geometric sequence, so we need to find the vn plus 1 equal to q times vn, that q is the rational of the sequence. Alright, so we have the un plus 1, so and un. Alright, so we need to vn, so from here, so we also find here, right? We also find the un plus 1 here, un plus 1. Alright, we push to the other side, so here is negative, and to we put to the other side it will be positive. Alright, so here is vn plus h times un. Alright, so we take this to replace here. Alright, so we got a vn plus 1 equal to 5 minus 8 times here. Alright, vun plus 1, it will be vn plus 8 times un. Alright, and now we also minus 6 un, so we multiply, we factor it, so it will be vn plus 1 equal to here 5 minus h times vn, and plus 5 minus h times hun minus 6un. Alright, so the equation we rewrite to vn plus 1 equal to 5 minus h times vn. So here we have the un and un, so we take un to the outside, so here we can also multiply it, and it will be minus. Alright, it's here, multiply here, it will be minus 5h and plus 6. Alright, equal to time un. Alright, so we see that here the one term, we took here the other term. Alright, so we can see that is vn is a geometry sequence is and only is vn is only vn plus 1 equal to q vn. Alright, so if we take h minus 5 minus h equal to q, alright, so the remainder is we can also give it to 0. Alright, so want to be vn is a geometry sequence, so we just need give this term if u equal to 0. Alright, so we can got the h squared minus 5h plus 6 equal to 0. So we can factorial it easily. It will be h minus 1 and h minus 2 and h minus 3, alright, equal to 0. So we got the h equal to 2 or h equal to 3. Alright, so h equal to 2 or h equal to 3 is the answer. Alright, so our problem is finished here. Alright, see you in the video and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more video. Alright, goodbye, see you later.